Welcome back to our training section. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use Autocad to draw polygons. Okay, in our last class, we learned how we use Autocad to draw cycles, also draw concentric and eccentric cycles. Okay, if you have not practiced that video, please go back to our last videos and watch how you can draw cycles, different sizes of cycles in AutoCAD. Okay, this is our AutoCAD for technical drawing training section. Okay, as we explained during our introductory class, we know that we are using this book that was developed by UNESCO in conjunction with the National Board for Technical Education (NBT). Right? Okay, so this is the book that we are following. So we're going to our chapter where we are doing the practical. Okay, chapter 3. Okay, so this is where we covered last week, and then today now we're going to learn how we can draw a polygon. Okay, polygon is a plane figure bounded by more than 4 straight sides. Polygons are frequently referred to have a particular name. Some of these are listed below. So you know polygon have different sizes, right? You understand? You have a pentagon, which is 5 sides, hexagon 6, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, many other sizes of polygons. So at the course of this training, we are going to learn at least how we can draw at least few of the sizes, and also learn how we can describe a polygon in the cycle as well, describing it in a rectangle as well. Okay, so having known that, we go back to AutoCAD. Okay, so this is AutoCAD. As you can see, this is what we are about to draw. We're going to, this is a polygon. This is a polygon with 8 sides. Okay, this is a polygon described in a rectangle, and then this is a polygon described in a cycle. Okay, so we are going to learn how we can do that one by one. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that so that you will receive notifications anytime we drop our new videos. And please on your system and follow this procedure step by step. Okay, so that at the end you can be able to learn this perfectly without any problem or challenge. Okay, we're going to use the drawing tools first. Okay, so we have our polygon here. Okay, so you can get the polygon also from draw. Okay, so you have a polygon here. You click on it. Okay, you can also pick it from here. You click on it. So now you are asked to enter the number of sides. So how many polygons do you want to draw? So let's assume you want to draw a polygon with 8 sides. Okay, so that is octagon, right? Okay, I'll press 8. Then you press enter on your keyboard, and the next command says you should specify the center of the polygon. Where do you want to serve as the center of the side? So let's say I click here. Okay, so the next command is describe the cycle or circumscribe about cycle. What that means is that if you want this your polygon to be in a cycle, or you want your polygon to be circumscribed about the cycle. So that is your cycle now inside your polygon. That is what I mean. But at the course of drawing this, we are not drawing it into a cycle or outside the cycle. So we are just drawing a polygon. So you can select any one. You understand? But it will now depend on the size that you will be using if you want to put into consideration the describe or the circumscribe approach. You understand? Okay, so I'll click on describe and then I'll draw my polygon. So let's say I put a radius of 5,000. Okay, that is 5 meters. Now because we are using millimeter, then I click enter. Okay, on my keyboard, I press enter on my keyboard. Okay, so we have our polygon with 8 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is how you draw the polygon. Okay, the next one is to describe a polygon in a rectangle. Okay, so let's say we have this polygon now. Okay, so this is the okay, press 8 we draw the same rectangle, same size, describe. Okay, and then we'll type 5,000. Okay, now if you want to put it inside a rectangle now, okay, so what you need to do is to carry your construction line. Yes, and this is a simple way to get it instead of following any long process of cutting, bisecting and all that, the way we do it manually. Just come here and draw your construction line. Okay, you pick another construction line again. All right, and then you draw. Okay, you pick again, and then you draw. You pick again, and then you draw. So you see that you draw a cycle, a line, construction line around the polygon. Okay, so I'll click trim, pick my trim. I remove this, 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 then I remove this. Okay, I can now delete this. So you see, we have our polygon inscribed in a rectangle or square. You understand? So that is how you draw your rectangle around polygon. Okay, so the next drawing now, we are going to draw our polygon in a cycle. Okay, we are going to describe the polygon in a cycle, right? Okay, so what we need to do is you pick your cycle. Okay, you pick your cycle and you draw your cycle. Let's say at the radius of 5,000. You understand, you have your cycle. Then you go and pick your polygon. Okay, pick your polygon. Okay, number of size 8, press enter, specify the center. So you see, this is the center of the polygon. You click it and then you inscribe, right? You are inscribing it in the cycle this time. So I click on inscribe and I move it to this edge. So you see, pick to snap the edge. So you see, this is how you inscribe the polygon in the cycle. Okay, let's say we want to draw another side of the polygon as well. Let's say 10 sides now, or 9. Okay, let's say we want 10, put 10. Okay, the same approach, press enter, specify the center, describe, and then you draw. There's any size of polygon you want, you can actually draw it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please practice this, practice this exercise. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that so that you see our notifications anytime we drop our next video. Thank you very much for watching.